to learning how to strum is to take it step by step, starting from the basics. First of all, just hold your guitar and get a sense of strumming straight down. Now, I don't care when you're starting off if you use your thumb or a pick. If you're okay with using a pick, it's a good technique, but it's not mandatory. We just want to get the basics down. Now, what you want to do is learn to do this evenly, and you might even want to try playing along with a metronome or a drum track just to get an even strum down. I can tap my foot and do this as well, but for beginners, sometimes that's hard to do both. Once you feel this is okay, you don't have to be perfect, start going for the down up. I call this a pendulum motion. Your hand goes down, and as you do, your pick or your thumb angles slightly down, and on the way up, it's the opposite. So you're going to go down and then up. This is the basic motion of strumming. Again, you want to get this even. So this is not even. I've exaggerated a little bit. We want this sound. Now, once you get to this point, you might want to go ahead and play some type of chord. Just see what it sounds like. When you're comfortable doing that, mix it up by going to step number 3 with a down and then down, up, down, down, up. This is a good basic strum. Getting this basic strum right, the foundation for all the more fancy, complicated strums that you'll learn in the future. And it's worth spending time to get this basic foundation right.